Hello guys, today I will show you how I polished my aluminum fork on my bike. Already one done, and as you can see, this is chrome, this is aluminum, and it's pretty close. We can see that it's not actual chrome, but it does a pretty damn good job. And here, of course, my chrome is dirty because all the work I've done on this fork spray everywhere around me, but you can see that this fork has been cleaned, but it's not near as chrome as this one here. And even if it's clean, I will show you how I cleaned it so you see the whole process and how I am doing it. There's probably dozens of ways to do it, but I will show you mine, so stay tuned. So first, what you will need is some Scotch-Brite, and I am using this wheel cleaner from Chemical guys, but any aluminum cleaner, good cleaner, will do the job. So I'm using this. I'm also using the Mother Magen aluminum polish paste. This is the white one. And it does an incredible job. It's not too aggressive on the material, and it does give a good finish. And you will also need a polishing brush that you can attach to a drill, or unless you have a real buffer with buffing pad, it's even better, but I don't have any, so I am using these discs that I can attach on any drill. So the first thing to do, because my left fork is completed, is cover it, because I don't want to start over since it's finished. So I will cover the fork and I will start cleaning the other one. So the good thing is, if you remove your wheel, you can turn your fork while you're working on it. It's way easier than working with the fender and the wheel attached to the fork. So this way you can work around the wheel, the fork, I mean, from every angle without struggling. And I found out that while cleaning, at first I was going up and down and I was just carrying dirt from place to place. It was not really cleaning anything, and I found out that doing that motion was cleaning way better. So it's as simple as spraying some on it, and of course this fork is clean, so it won't take long before I will stop and start cleaning. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I also clean it with Nevr. I will show you what Nevr is in a second. And Scotch-Brite really does a great job. Now, after it's clean, as I said, it didn't take long because I already cleaned it. Now it's time for Nevr, and I will show you what Nevr is. I love this product. It does a great job cleaning chrome, aluminum, or even paint. And if you are patient enough, you can even remove the light rust on a chrome surface using this. As you can see, it's white. It's a white kind of fabric, and that's another cleaner. I will probably be good to start polishing right now, but this Nevr is removing another coat of dirt that the cleaner did not remove. As you can see, I get a little bit of dirt on it, but as I said, my fork was really already cleaned up, so it's not as dirty as when I started. So to remove it, or to it's kind of a polishing at the same time, you can do the same as when you clean it up. So as you can see, it's way easier when you don't have a fender or a wheel in the way. Now as you can see, my fork is clean. It's time for some polish. So take a bit of paste on a rag. Start with small surface, because if you spread too wide, you don't want your paste to dry out on the fork. Now I'm not on my right side, so try like this. So you start slow so it doesn't spread everywhere. If I get the camera closer, you can see that it's getting chrome compared to here. You can see straight away. It didn't take long to get to this finish. So now we do that for the entire fork. After you're done, remove the black mark like here. You won't have that much if you use a brand new pad, but you will still have some of these marks, but really easy to remove. There you go. I got two polish fork. So there you go, guys. As you can see, it's not chrome, but it's crazy close to be as clear as chrome, and it's only aluminum polished. So it's just that easy to polish your aluminum fork. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.